YouTube channel. So make lunch. Here we are already having some biryani and some pilau. By the way, this is the food we had on 25th. This was our lunch. It was too much, so we decided to keep and warm it for the day lunch again. And also right here I have some caudies for our rice, and I have some lentils here. I've put these potatoes and carrots mixed right here. Yeah. Add some salt. Also grated some carrots. The one I had cut, it was less. Let us pour in our. Yep, guys, here is our piece is done. So I'm covering it to boil a little. Fire. Hi guys, I've made my cabbage. Cabbage is here. And I'm going to blend this juice, yep, and grate these carrots. Lunch is done. Here we have our biryani rice, and we have pilau. So our lunch is ready.